Welcome back to Bhargav Shorthand classes. Let us go and complete our halving principle now. When H follows T, only upward H is halved. Never downward H is halved. Right? Generally when straight strokes follows H, we write upward H. So only upward H is halved for the addition of T. Hunt. Upward H, howdy and hook. Hit. Upward H, howd. Diphthong. Heights. Surplus can be added. Right? Only upward H is howd for the addition of T. Next. When final syllable NESs occur, consonant N, for NES we write N circle, that is consonant N and circle S, is disjoined. We will disjoin. Is disjoined for a better outline. Nothing else. No specific rule. For getting clarified outline, we disjoin. Tightness. If you write tightness, there is no joining. Perfect. It's not perfect. So, we write T howd N circle. Tightness. Right? Aptness. Aptness. N and ing also, consonant N or ing. Whenever there is ingly, something like that. Hesitatingly, hesitatingly, or hesitating. Forget about ly. Hesitating. If it is ly, down. Got it? Now. In some of the words, where after K, if P or D follows, halving principle cannot be employed. Example, fact. After FK cannot be halved because after F, this is F. If I write K halved, it is as good as F. There is no identification for K halved. So FKT. As we discussed in Shanhook, after FK, VK, Shanhook is written with clockwise direction. After LK or LG, Shanhook is written with anti-clockwise direction. So, after FK or LK, T cannot be, for the addition of T, K or G cannot be halved. Vacate. V, it cannot be halved. KT, vacate. Fact. Locate. After L, K cannot be halved. L, K, T. Locate. Looked. L, K, D. Right? With this, we complete our halving principle. Let us go with some phrases relating to this. Now, let us look at some of the phrases with halving principle. If it, for the addition of T, F is halved, so F halved on the line. Remember, after employing halving principle, if it is third place vowel also, outline is written on the line. So, if it is F halved circless, I am not, I diphthong, M halved N hook. I am not. You may not, same, you, M halved N hook. You will not, you, L halved N hook. I will not, I diphthong, L halved N hook. Will not be. No, let us say either I will not be or you will not be. I will not be, you will not be. For want of word and would, way is halved. Like we have discussed ward and yard, way halved. For word, in case of phrases only, for word also, way is halved. This word, we would, way halved. We would be, way halved, be. That would be, that way halved, be. That would be. If it would be, they would. At all times, at all is our phrase. Tull above the line is at all. For the addition of T, tull is halved, M circless. At all times, at all times. Able is grammar log on the line bull. Bull is halved for the addition of 2, T. Bull halved, able to. You may be able to. You may be able to. Able to make bull halved, MK. This is what is phrases relating to halving principle.